Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to perform some tasks on Boloup app and earn some rewards. It's very easy, so let's get started. All right, so the first step you have to take guys is of course open the app and log into your account. Next step you have to take guys is to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner. All right, so once you click on that, from here you're going to see this tax option. All right, so that's what you're going to click to get started. But just before we do that, here is 100 coins that I managed to earn by just completing some tasks on the app. Right, so let me show you how I was able to do that. So all I did was to click on this tax option, and then after that I was able to find some newbie tags. So these are some newbie tags that you just have to complete and get free coins. So as you can see right here, I was able to upload my avatar, which as you can see, it's completed. Right, it says complete, and that of nickname as well, which I have complete. Right, so there are other ones that I have to complete as well and earn some free coins, like the bind phone number and the follow Facebook page, turn on notification right there. All right, so if I turn on my Boloup app notification, I get to get some rewards, and it goes on and on just like that. And also there are some monthly tasks I can easily complete to get some rewards as well, right, such as inviting people to the app, right, and so on. All right, so for example, if I want to complete one of these, all I have to do is to click on this go button right there. So once I click on that, for example, to turn on notification, I will just go ahead and turn on the Boloup app notification just like that. And next thing I just have to do is to go back. Once I do that, the task will be completed. Right, so I've turned on the app notification, and I just have to go back just like that. Next thing I want to do is to complete some other tasks like binding phone number or following Boloup Twitter page. Right, so I just have to click on the go button if I want to perform any of these tasks. All right, so this is Boloup Facebook page, Twitter page. Right, so I'll just click on follow just like that and head back. So once you do that, go ahead and refresh the app. If it's not reflecting that you have completed it, just refresh the app, or you can just close the app and open it back, and you're going to notice that your coin is going to be increased. Right, so that's how you can actually perform some tasks on Boloup app and get free coins or rewards. Hope this guide was helpful. I now know how to do that. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.